everyone, and welcome to today's phonics session. We're going to be focusing on one sound again, and we're going to be looking at our green words, our red words, and focusing on our writing as well. Okay, so our first thing we're going to look at is our new sound. I hope you're ready. And this is another one of my favourite sounds. Okay, you remember what it is? Ooh. 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 And this side is poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Okay, so we've got a man here, and I think he's shoveling up lots of poo from the zoo. So on this side we say ooh, and this side we say poo at the zoo. Are you ready? Ooh. Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Excellent. So remember, it's a special friend because it's two letters that make one sound. Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to mix them up. And when you see our new sound for today, you need to point at it and say ooh. Are you ready? Okay. I. G. Ooh. E. A. Ch. Sh. I. So digraph, isn't it? 3 letters, 1 sound. And back to I. Excellent. So you've done super work today. And our new sound is ooh, poo at the zoo. Okay, let's get moving with our next bit. So now we're going to look at our green words. And let's see if we can be super speedy with our reading. Okay, let's have a look. Z-oo, zoo. Zoo, zoo. 2 sounds. T-oo, two, two. Ooh, ooh, moon, moon. Spoon, 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 spoon. Ood, ood, food, food. Ooh, all, ooh, all, pool. Jump in the pool. And back to zoo. Let's see if we can get speedy. I'm going to mix them up. Are you ready? Spoon. Pool. Moon. 2. Zoo. Food. And back to spoon. Excellent, well done. Let's have a look at our red words before we move on with our writing. Okay. No new ones today, just ones we've already looked at, okay? We. My. He. The. Was. Into. Go. No. To. She. And I. Excellent work. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You're doing really well today. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our writing. Okay, so our sentences that we're going to do today have all got the oo sound, and we're going to do 2 sentences. Okay, so our first one is an easy one to get us into it. Okay, and our first sentence is poo at the zoo, just like this one on the back, poo at the zoo. So let's see if we can do that now, that one. Now remember, capital letter at the beginning, full stop at the end. Okay. P, oo, poo, 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 at. Don't forget your finger spaces as well. At, poo at. The red word, poo at the zoo. Z, oo. Full stop at the end. Poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Brilliant. Okay, next one we're going to do. Oh, my rubber's over there. 1 minute. I'm back. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so our next one is I can look at a cookbook. Oh, that's got lots of oo sounds in there. Okay, so that is, oh actually, that's tomorrow's. So we're going to do I can zoom to the moon. Okay, I can zoom to the moon. Okay, so first one, I can zoom to the moon. I can can I can zoom I can zoom. Excellent. I can zoom to. I can zoom to the. I can zoom to the moon. Full stop. I can zoom to the moon. Now, if you want to, you can write this one. You can write poo at the zoo. You could write I can zoom to the moon in a big red rocket. I can zoom to the moon in my spaceship. You can try and add to your sentences that you're writing to make your sentences even better than the ones that I have been doing. Okay, because I know that you're doing amazing work at home, and it's really lovely to see all of your writing that you're doing. Okay, so have a really good try. I hope you enjoy the phonics session today, and I will hopefully be seeing you very, very soon. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.